Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Getafe home shirt for the 2009 to 2010 season, and I won't lie, that's the reason why I purchased this one. I saw the Burger King logo and I thought that's absolutely fantastic as a sponsor, so yeah, went and purchased this shirt. The shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I will leave a dhgate link to my usual seller. I doubt it'll be for this item because I've never seen Getafe shirts on their dhgate page, but I will leave it to something else that I think might be quite interesting. So the shirt is a Joma shirt and it comes in a standard bag, and the flip side is plain. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you can leave any comments, questions, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, the seller of this one is at BestZV1.com. All the information in the description of the video. So what we'll do now is let's get to this bag open and let's have a look at the Getafe home shirt for the 2009 to 2010 season with the Burger King sponsor. Okay, we start with the front of the shirt. Oh, it's got a bit of an interesting collar line, so it's not like your standard like ring neck collars. Yeah, interesting. So not even a V-neck collar. I don't even know what sort of collar to class that as. Stitching though, that looks good. And we've got the Liga patch. Oh, that is like a proper patch. Usually they're like heat pressed on, but it probably has been heat pressed on or stitched on. That's been stitched on. That's been embroidered onto the material. But that is a proper thick patch. Very nice. Got the kit manufacturer, which is Joma, and the Getafe patch there. Both of those have been embroidered on. And then for me, the winner, the Burger King sponsor, which is like a rubberized sort of vinyl feel. It's quite nice actually. And then we have the Joma on this side, which again is rubberized. At the bottom, we have a replica. Official spelt wrong, I don't know. They spelt there the official replica, so maybe that's the Spanish way of spelling it. But replica official replica. And then you've got Joma. That does feel quite nice actually. Again, quite a thick texture to it. A few creases from the bag, but nothing to really worry about. Again, a nice bit of stitching across there. All the joins look really quite tidy. I do love that though. But yeah, there's the front of our shirt. Let's flip it around now and look at the reverse side. This is the Getafe home shirt, 2009-2010. Okay, we're on the reverse side now. And just where the join of the collars, that's a bit wonky, not perfect. A slight join there as well, don't know what that's all about. And then we've got a red flag with some stars on, which has been vinyled on. And like the Burger King logo, that is rubberized. Stitching that all looks good down there. I do like this pattern. It's a very nice pattern. It's a good join as well. Stitching all looks on point. Yeah, that looks perfect. Usually you can see some like slight issues with these sort of joins, but all in all, that looks fantastic. Oh, we've got a loose cotton here, look. Nothing really to worry about though. The cotton is all stitched in, just a massive loose cotton. So we'll get a pair of scissors on that and that will soon be vanished. No name and number on this one. I left it plain, but I really do like this design. Very, very nice. Let's take a look now at the inside of this shirt too. Going out onto the inside of the shirt, we've got a Joma tag XL. Again, it's got a Joma inside. Move that out of the way. Bit of a join there on the stitching. The Getafe badge has been embroidered on. That looks quite tidy. Kit manufacturer Joma. So you can see some of this card here. If this doesn't pull off overly easy, which that one isn't, my recommendation is to put some lukewarm water on it, and then this will just come off nice and easy. Oh, there you go. It did come off in the end. I did have to give it a bit of a yank. But if you put some lukewarm water on that, will come off really quite simple. But the Joma on this side, it's got a nice the Burger King sponsor, absolutely perfect. It's a big sponsor, so sometimes they do go a bit wonky, but no, that's gone really well. No creases. And then the Liga patch, which we said is just there, been embroidered on, joined the stitching, which is good. There's a massive crease through that, but that's just from where the shirt has been in the bag. Once the shirt's been worn, that will soon vanish. And the stitching all looks good on that side. Really impressed actually with that Burger King logo. It's gone so well. This first part of the inside of the shirt, let's flip it around and look at the final part of the inside of this Getafe home shirt 2009-2010 from BestZV1.com. Okay, we're now onto the reverse side of the inside of the shirt. And you've got that little band in there that you see on all the sort of collars. Okay, and we've got a loose cotton Joma XL. Obviously, I didn't get any names and numbers on this one, so it's a plain back. But if we push in, the material is relatively thick actually. You can't see very well the items that sit through it. At the bottom, we do have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out and to put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. Stitching all looks fine. Now I'm going to put my hand through it, but yeah, it's a shiny, quite thick material actually. So yeah, really quite happy with this one. But that's the inside of this shirt. Like I said, not a lot to show you on this side, but it is a fantastic looking shirt nonetheless. And there we have it, our Getafe home shirt for the 2009 to 2010 season from BestZV1.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller. I know it won't be for this item, but I will find something, probably a Spanish shirt or something, a Liga shirt, just so it kind of fits in. But it'll take you to their dhgate page, which then you are able to have a look at any of their other items. Like I said, for me, this was the main reason for getting this one. When I saw the Burger King sponsor, I thought that's a bit of an iconic item to have on your shirt. So it's one of those ones that I thought I'm going to go and purchase. Delivery time, you're looking at about 15 days from the point of it being dispatched, which I think is absolutely spot on now for these sort of shirts. I'm really happy with that. There are a few loose cottons, one of which being just there, but nothing really to worry about. Scissors will soon sort that out and you've got a perfect looking shirt. If you did enjoy this one, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there we have it then. There is our Getafe 2009 to 2010 home shirt. As I said, the seller is BestZV1, all info in the description. Thank you very much for watching this one. The final look, and we'll see you in the next one.